This is going to be kind of a ghetto video. I just got to my package pickup location. I've been driving miles, like crazy miles to get up to the Northwest. But you guys sent me some freaking amazing stuff. I had no idea. A couple of you sent me messages telling me what you got me, so I was super excited. And for me and the dogs, this is like, it's a big deal. You know, because it's like, we just make our little videos and then I upload them. I spend a lot of time on the thumbnails. It's kind of crazy. So let me know how I'm doing with those thumbnails. You know, I try to get attention with the thumbnails and inform you like what the video is going to be about, but I want people to watch it. Like I want people to click. So sometimes I get not clickbaity, but sort of, you know, kind of pushing the envelope a little bit. But you guys, it's just crazy. I opened this box and I like it when you guys send a gift receipt. This is from Sarah Jane. She sent me the wireless microphone I was looking for. So we're going to test that. It's so awesome. I seriously, I can't believe it. I'm blown away. I put stuff on my wish list, you know, because I know you guys like to give the dogs treats. And she sent the dogs treats. But I put other stuff on, stuff that I think is like going to help the videos and help our nomad life. A lot of it's stuff that I am planning to buy in the future, but you know, I don't always have the money to do it, so I kind of buy that stuff as I get a little bit of money. One thing that you guys sent, I was not going to buy for a long time because it was expensive, so stay tuned for that. This microphone, we'll test it out and see how it sounds. Y'all can let me know. But Sarah Jane, thank you. And she says, tell your dog good boy. Let him give me another kiss. Well, that's the thing. I don't like it. I don't like my dogs to kiss me. Like, I don't like them to lick me. I let them get close, but I don't like them licking my face. So I kind of trained them to not lick my face. But every once in a while, they do kind of get excited and get up close. Sarah Jane sent this box of greenies. It's insane. It's so nice of you guys. Sarah Jane, thank you. The dogs are sleeping right now. Dodger went for a swim with his brace on, and that wasn't the best idea because he couldn't really swim. So, you know, you kind of live and learn. But he's all wet. He's happy, but he's sleeping right now. So you'll see me give him the greenies here soon enough. And Echo's outside sleeping too. I got a couple more boxes to open. I don't know what's inside those, but I opened this and I was like, holy cow. It's basically a cameraman that flies and it will follow me and the dogs around. I can program it. I've never used a drone before, and I'm not big on getting like the big overhead shots because it's not stuff that you can see when you're out hiking. I'm more about like trying to keep the videos kind of realistic, more attainable, you know, for the average person. And this thing, it flies really low. You know, it'll fly, I think, like 30 feet or something like that. But I really wanted to just be able to follow me and the dogs when we're hiking. And it's so cool. This is from Carrie Sparks. And he's in Germany. Carrie, I don't know what to say except thank you. And we're going to put this thing to use. Can you imagine, like, you've seen me make the videos, and like I try to spend a fair amount of time making decent videos, but they are kind of quick, you know. Sometimes I have to sacrifice like how awesome the shot is or whatever. So having something like this, and it has a really good camera, and it does audio too. I think it picks up the audio through your cell phone. So while you're flying this around, you hold your phone like near you, something like that. And so it should pick up really good audio. It cancels out the sound of the drone itself, so you won't hear the drone. But you'll be able to hear me talking clearly, and the camera will be like flying around, like getting these cool shots of me and the dogs while we're hiking. It can fly past us, it can fly up above us. So can you imagine like what this is going to do just for the videos? So what you all are going to be seeing in the future is going to be different. It's going to sound different, hopefully better. It's going to hopefully look better. It's silly. Like, I feel really silly. All I can do is say thanks, basically. Okay, let's open these other packages. I gotta find my knife. Okay, I got this box and this box. There, I kind of changed the shot up a little bit. Let's see what's in this box. It takes me a while to get packages just because I'm on the road, so I set up my pickup locations in different areas depending on where I'm going to be. So it can take me 3 months before I can actually pick up a package. Oh my God. This is another thing about improving my videos. Rob Ortiz. Hopefully having the harness, check this out, what he got us, will inspire you to get a GoPro, which I don't have a GoPro yet, and have Echo make some videos. Like, that should really help the channel. You guys, thank you, Rob. That's so awesome. This is something you guys can look forward to. I don't know when this is going to happen because I need to get the GoPro, which honestly I'm not big on, but the idea, my friend gave me this idea to stick a GoPro on the dogs. So Rob sent us the GoPro dog harness. So you can mount the camera. This is a shot I'm really excited about because you get to see the back of the head of Dodger and Echo while they're out exploring. But you can also mount the camera here, you know, for the classic like under the chin shot. Which, I mean, that's so cool. Rob, thank you so much. Seriously. And these are Echo's favorite. He chews these in about, you know, they take him about 6-8 minutes a piece for these. I like these things because they're not super messy, but they are a good chewing activity for the dogs. Dodger can't really chew these anymore. They're too thick for him. Okay, let's see what's in this box. And so you guys don't worry, like, you'll see me use all this stuff coming up. This looks like something I could eat. I think Echo's waking up. Okay, now this person didn't leave a note who it's from. It just says, enjoy your gift. So whoever sent these, this is like high quality snacks, beef jerky, sweet potato treats. This is all stuff Dodger can eat too. And they really like the sweet potatoes. And chicken jerky. So whoever sent that, you didn't leave your name, and that's totally cool. I appreciate it. It's so nice of you. Let's give Echo, I think I can wake up Dodger too. Let's give Echo one of these treats. boy. It's actually their dinner time, so this is a cheat. Well, they kind of stink. Just like beef jerky. He's drooling on me already. You like that? Do you like it? Okay, let's go see what Dodger likes. You can see I got this cheap Walmart fan here. We use this thing a lot. And they last a couple years and then they kind of get really noisy. But I had that on. I don't have it on right now just because of the audio. And Dodger is kind of soaking wet. But I let him up in bed anyways. I got this blanket here. It's basically like waterproof on this side. Okay, this is a sweet potato treat. See, he can chew that just fine. So he's soaking wet, but since I got this waterproof, it's a blanket, you know, it's kind of insulated a little bit. He's not going to get my bed totally wet because he had a little tumble in the creek. I put him in the deep end and where he had to swim the whole way. And he was kind of sinking a little bit and he had his brace on and I think that was a bad idea. You know, I make stupid mistakes. And he's not traumatized by it. Like, he's cool. He's not big on the water anyways. But he went all the way in and he almost went under. But he was right on the edge. All I had to do was take like 3 steps and I could have pulled him out, which I really almost did do. Yeah, that's a good dog. For those of you that don't like package opening videos, I'm really sorry. But I want to get you all excited about what we're doing and where the channel's going. Things are changing. You're going to see some kind of new stuff here and there. Things like the dog harness for the GoPro, the microphone that I can pin on myself, and hopefully when it's windy, it's not going to pick up the wind noise, which is a big improvement. So you get to see these kind of improvements, and having a drone that can follow me around and act as a cameraman so you can see us from a different perspective as we get out and see these places. Then you're kind of seeing them from, like a totally different perspective. It's not just me holding up the camera. It's actually going to be recording us instead of me recording us. It's going to be recording me. So stay tuned for all that stuff. Thanks you guys for sending stuff to me and the dogs, especially the dogs, because I really don't buy them treats. It's very rare that I actually buy dog treats. Like I always say, I give them carrots and yogurt and cottage cheese, the stuff that I eat, broccoli. That's just how I usually do it with my dogs. I don't tend to spoil them too much. But you guys are helping to spoil them. I want you to see Dodger sleeping. He was a good dog today. He's a good boy. I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek. I got some toys here to play with for our next adventure. I'm giving Echo the treats you guys gave him. These are chicken cutlets from somebody who didn't leave their name, but it's super awesome. You guys sent us these. Good boy.